Welcome to Station 2 Solo Mission Blend in the Real World. These are your instructions for this station. First, you'll click into your Station 2 folder, and you're going to notice this green folder first, Blended Learning in Real Life. When you click in, you're going to see an assignment that is designated by the grade levels that you teach. So for example, if you're an elementary teacher, yours is going to say Elementary Blended Learning. You're going to see all three here, just because I'm using a feature of Schoology to send each of you just your grade specific videos. Once you click on the videos, once you click on the link, you're going to see multiple videos. Each of these videos are from a Cesar Rodney School District teacher who has taken part of our blended learning course. It's a 30-hour course that we offer in the fall and the winter, and this is their final project. These are exemplar examples of blended learning in various subjects and various grade levels. We'd love for you to take some time to watch one of the videos. Feel free to watch more if you'd like, just to get some ideas of how maybe blended learning could look in your room, more than you've already gained hopefully today. Feel free to take notes on your graphic organizer of things that you see. Once you finish watching the video, there's nothing you have to do other than click back out into the Station 2 folder, and then you're going to notice these blue folders right here. This is where personalized learning comes in. We're offering you a bunch of information about the variety and the various features that Schoology can offer to help enhance your blended classroom. You get to pick and choose what you want to learn about. Maybe you already know, once you dig into this folder here, about how to create a discussion, but you're not quite sure what a shared discussion is. So you can click into that folder and start digging around. Perhaps you want more information on quizzes and tests. There are a variety of information for you to go through. So I would click on quizzes and tests. And then I can look and view each of these pages. There are videos included on each of these pages, giving you a little bit more information. And then at the very end of each idea in each of these folders is this assignment. It says, in either your sandbox course or your archive course, create a quiz that includes the various question types and one question that has feedback. Take a screenshot of your new quiz and submit the screenshot into this assignment. So there are two things I need to show you here. First, what is a sandbox course and an archive course? And the second is, how do you take a screenshot and submit? So first, a sandbox course would be you opening up a new tab, coming to your courses, clicking create, and then giving yourself a sandbox course. I could call it Golden Sandbox. And I would click my level. It could be any level. And then down here, I'm going to want it to be ongoing, and I hit create, and that's going to create my own little sandbox course, which I have one already right here. The other thing that I asked you to do, so you'll have that sandbox course open. What that sandbox course is going to allow you to do is work on any new skill that you're learning as you're teaching yourself in Station 2. The other option I'm going to give you is to find an archived course. So again, open Schoology in a new tab, go to Courses, go to See All. Click the Archive button. These are all of the Schoology courses that you've ever been an admin in or that you've ever been a student in. So you can slide down and you can find your course from this year, last year, click on in, and you can play around in this course as well. So you have two options. You can either create that sandbox course, or you can find your archive course. If that was too fast, stop the video now, rewind, and listen once more on how to do each of those things. Next, I want to show you how to take a screenshot. So there are two different ways. If you are using your laptop from school, what you're going to do is you're going to come down to the bottom left corner and you're going to click Snipping Tool. Type in Snipping Tool, and your snipping tool should come up. This little box is going to happen, and it's going to say New, and you're going to get this plus button. So if I want to snip, say I've done my questions already, I've created a new quiz in my Sandbox course, and now it said to take a picture of it. So I'm going to come in, I'm going to grab my snipping tool, and I'm just going to snip, and that takes a screenshot. I'm going to file, I'm going to save as, I'm going to say quiz, screenshot, and I'm going to save it onto my computer somewhere I can find it. The assignment also asked me to show a question that had feedback, so I'm going to dig in, and I'm going to, again, find my snipping tool. I'm going to highlight the feedback that I provided. I'm going to hit File, Save As, Feedback, Screenshot, and I'm going to hit Save. That is how you can take a screenshot from your laptop computer. If you're using a Chromebook, you're going to use this feature right here. So if you need to take a screenshot of your current page, you'll hit Control and this fun little button. If you want to take a partial screenshot just of your quiz questions, you'll hit Control, Shift, and this little button. That's going to save your image right to your Chromebook. So now how do you post it? You're going to see a submit button. I know mine says resubmit. You're going to hit submit assignment. You can then hit this file button right here. This is going to allow you to find your screenshots. So there's my quiz screenshot. I'm going to hit open, and then I'm going to click again, feedback screenshot, open, and then I'll hit submit, and that's going to send off my response. As you are digging around in these folders, feel free to do as many as you'd like. Hopefully there's a variety of things in there that you, to touch on each of you, your knowledge level, and you can submit each of your assignments after you completed a folder, and we will finish up after 20 minutes.